Welcome back to Market Pros. Let's get into it. Okay, so we got Bitcoin here on Bybit on the 4 hour. So we did break the bottom of this range. And now looks like we could be coming back up for a retest. So let's see here. Bearish control zone on the RSI below the signal line. We do not have, let's see here, hold on. Okay, so if this is confirmed as a low, we will have bullish divergence from this point to this point. So that could lead us back up, maybe to the bottom. Actually, the anticipated move would be back up to the 21 and the bottom of this range. So, we did have this fake out, but this one is an actual break of the bottom of the range. MACD, fresh retest of the signal line, resumption down, negative momentum is increasing, vol is expanding from a very low level. We printed the blue signal. Let's see here. So yeah, that could lead us back up to the 21, maybe even 39,300 region. So a little short of it, basically the bottom of this range. I would expect some, let's see, we're going to put a box here because I would expect it to get rejected from this level. So maybe even a wick up to the 21, somewhere in that region. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So yeah, as you see, we had a pretty nice break of this range. Even came back up for a retest, resumption down. And if we would get this bounce to the 21, it would just be a lower high. MACD. Negative momentum is decreasing a little bit. Your MACD line looks like it's losing its downside curvature. Vol seems to be consolidating in the top region, but we're still high. So if it does come back down, I would expect us to range again, but we'll find out. Looks like we're doing the same thing that we did right here. Could just be another bear flag. RSI, bearish control zone below the signal line. Looks like you did have a retest. Or not a retest. It kind of ran short. But we still could come back up for that retest, which would confirm this bounce idea that, I think we will have a bounce. Don't know exactly how how big it'll be. Like I said, it could come up to this purple box. We could even come short at 38,850, and that would be a very weak bounce. So let's go ahead and let's see. We're going to go ahead and make a fib from this point to this point, kind of see where we ended up. Okay, so yeah, we broke the zero line. The next level I'd be looking at is basically right where the 414 is at 37K. That's where I think we go next. Now we could reverse from there. We could just get a bounce, and then we'll come back to it. We'll come back to it when it comes back down to here. We'll have a daily update tomorrow. I don't think it's just going to come down here in one swoop. Could be wrong. We could just crack down. But honestly, I don't think that's what's going to happen. So those are my thoughts for Bitcoin. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. Free way to support the channel. Check out our Discord. It's in the description below. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.